Using the book recurring functionality is a useful feature to use when a customer wants to make a booking in the schedule on consecutive days or weeks. Please note that when using the book recurring option, you're only able to select one lesson duration. If the customer wants to book different lesson durations on different days, then you will need to process each booking individually. To begin with, let's go ahead of booking a recurring lesson over 3 consecutive weeks. After selecting the coach and the duration, before processing the booking, ensure that the coach has availability over the dates. In this example, the customer wants to make the first lesson booking on Friday the 20th of September and wants to make the same lesson booking each Friday for 3 consecutive weeks at the same time. By navigating through the schedule, we can check the coach's availability, and we can see that they have available times on each of these dates. Navigate back to today's date and find the first lesson date that we need to book in the schedule. The customer wants to book a 30-minute lesson booking on Friday the 20th and the 2 consecutive weeks at the same time and duration. After selecting the first lesson time, we can use the book recurring option. The lesson duration is the number of lessons we would like to place in the schedule, and in this example it's 3. After selecting the lesson duration, we need to select whether we're going to add this to 3 consecutive days or 3 consecutive weeks. Let's go ahead and choose the weeks option. We now need to select the repeat type as weekly. After selecting the weekly option, we can go ahead and hit continue. We will now be taken to the final stage of the booking process, where we have the option to select a student from the current student list or create a new student by filling in the player information. We can see here on the right our summary details listing all of the recurring dates. We can confirm these back to the customer at this stage. We can also see now that we have a total lesson cost. After selecting the student or creating a new student, you can select the payment option. At this stage, you will only have the payment option to choose Pay at Academy. You're unable to select the voucher option or package option at this stage, and will need to apply these to each booking within the schedule after completing the booking. After selecting the Pay at Academy option, you need to navigate down to confirm the booking by clicking Book Now. The booking is completed once you see the booking confirmation page. If we navigate back to the schedule now, select the coach and navigate through the weeks, we will see how the booking has been added to each of the dates. It's currently marked as red as it's currently marked as unpaid within the system.